Welcome students. Today we are going to have a detailed overview of the plus 2 mathematics syllabus. First of all, we have 12 units: matrices and determinants, relations and functions, inverse trigonometric functions, continuity and differentiability, application of derivatives, indefinite integral, definite integral, differential equations, vector algebra, 3D geometry, linear programming and probability. Let me introduce yourself to this new kind of a thing. First of the beauty of the plus 2 mathematics is all parts continued known as differentiation and integration. That is known as differential calculus and integral calculus. This all starts from relations and functions, continuity and differentiability, application of derivatives, indefinite, definite integral and differential equations. All these 6 units combine out to be said to be as differential calculus and integral calculus. So combiningly we say them calculus. तो ये जो मैथमेटिक्स का पोर्शन है ये बेसिकली आइजैक न्यूटन ने बनाया, ठीक है। ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है प्लस 2 का. All the science and technology are dependent on these 6 chapters now, ठीक है. तो टेक्निकल मैथमेटिक्स में ये बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट रखते हैं. Matrices and determinants, we all do know that modern day computer technology is all set on the matrix. All the positioning, all the picture, graphics, visual effects, VFX, everything is dependent on the matrix basically. So we define the whole of the space all around us, and in the hard disk and everywhere we have provided the space into the matrix formulations. So that matrix formulation should be used in computer from the mathematics of the matrix. So that is the matrix mathematics which we will study right now. Okay, matrices and determinants. So overall, then finally we have studied the 2-dimensional geometry in the plus 1, and now it is a 3-dimensional geometry available for the plus 2. Then again in the 10th standard you have studied about the probability. Okay, probability of the things, that how do one thing may occur, what is the chances of its outcome, number of supportive chances divided by total number of outcomes. So that is showing us the probability of that subject. Now coming on to another thing, that what does a function is, how from a function the calculus is being taken as a part. Now all these studies will find their space in this overview of the plus 2 syllabus. We will deal in a great variability, that matrices, how to add them, how to multiply them, how to subtract them, and how to find the skew symmetric matrix, symmetric matrix, and Hermitian matrix and skew Hermitian matrix, and their division, inverse of a matrix. All these topics will be covered in the matrices. And in the determinant we will find out A transpose, and finding out the rows and columns in the determinant, multiplying by their minors and cofactors, and finding out the determinant's value. So all these things will give us the value of the determinant to be final solution, and in getting the A inverse we will find the adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. That will give us the value of the A inverse. So this is the first chapter, and going with all these we must know the chapter's name and what do they have in them. Finally, up to the application of derivatives, it is a portion of the differential calculus. And indefinite integral, definite integral and differential equation, all these are the part of the integral calculus. So integration has a great part in them. So now a great mathematics is in front of you, which is going to tell you what is the differentiation. To find out a very small change in one thing with respect to the another is known as differentiation. Okay, all space technology, all the radiation technology, a number of things are dependent on this differentiation. एक छोटे से चेंज के कारण दूसरी चीज में क्या इम्पैक्ट आएगा, ठीक है, तो दैट इज नोन एज डिफरेंशिएशन। और एक छोटे से बदलाव के कारण ओवरऑल बड़े से बड़ा कितना चेंज आ सकता है, तो वो इंटीग्रेशन कहलाता है। सो स्टडिंग अबाउट दीज चैप्टर्स विल बी द मोटिव ऑफ स्टडिंग द syllabus in the mathematics course of the +2. That's it. Thank you very much.